Good morning. I am your substitute teacher for your last math class today, Miss Brown. I have a co-substitute coming to help teach with me, but she seems to be running late.
Howdy!
There she is.
Hey y'all, my name is Miss Mary Beth!
Okay, before we start our math class, I thought I would tell you a little bit about myself. I sang opera for 15 years. I played the piano for 11 years.
What do you know? I played the uke for 11 years. Let me show ya. A long time ago in a land far away lived a pineapple princess Kiki. She was sweet as a peach in a pineapple way, but so sad that she hardly speaky. But if you listen well, you'll hear her secret wish. Aloha everybody, my name is Tiki. I long to free a truly remarkable fish. My sweet prince.
Enough of this nonsense. We need to continue this math lesson. Please turn your math pages to page 251 for your last math page of 3rd grade. Okay, you should be turned to page 251 on Math Box 1. I'll read the directions. Label 1/8 and 1/4 on the number line. This is our number line.
Sure is.
You may use your fraction tools. So if we're going to label 1/8 and 1/4, we need to first start and look at 1/2. Here is 1/2. Half of 1/2 is 1/8. So, Mary Beth.
No, it's 1/4.
So we look at 1/2.
Half of it
Stop!
is 1/4. Come on, Miss Brown. Oh, it's still on your head right here.
So we're going to take a look at 1/2. Half of 1/2 is 1/4. So we know this is 1/4.
1/4 right here.
Yes. Because half of 1/2 is 1/4. Now half of 1/4 is 1/8.
Look at that, Miss Brown. We did question number 1.
Please have that written in your math boxes.
Sweet home Alabama. Howdy.
Alright, we're on to math box number 2. It says fill a circle next to each name for 40. So we have A as in...
Hold on. Missy? Don't be madder than a wet hen.
Fill in the circle next to each name for 40. So we're trying to find 40. Let's see. A as in 4 times 10. B as in boo.
Hey, you can also do Baba Black.
8 times 5. C as in 2 times 20. Or D as in do.
Well, Miss
8
Brown,
times 4.
I do reckon it can be at least more than 1.
Yes, it is more than 1. So let's start with 4 times 10.
Wow. She's as pretty as a peach.
4 times 10. Let's start with that. Wait, we already said that. 4 times 10. What does that equal, Miss Mary Beth?
I reckon 40.
Yes, so A is an answer for 40.
Wow, that circle's as full as a tick.
8 times 5. What is that, Miss Brown? 8 times 5. That is 40. So we're going to fill in B as well. C, 2 times 20. Now, Miss Mary Beth, what does that equal?
40.
Yes, it does equal 40. So you're going to fill in A, B, and C. Let's see. 8 times 4. We know that 8 times 4 is 32, so D is the only one that will not be filled in.
Heavens to Betsy, I think we're on question 3 already.
Yes, we're on box 3. Alright, the directions say, fill in the blanks to make the number sentence true. So for our first equation, we have something times something equals 36. So, Mary Beth, what do you
Hold your
know?
horses. You can have many answers, but we're just going to give you one of them.
Yes. So, do you have an example of one of the possible things we can do to do?
I reckon we could do 6 times 6.
Yes, 6 times 6 does work. Alright, the next equation. What times what equals 45? Well, there's many possible answers. Mary Beth?
I think I'm going to go with 9 times 5.
Alright, the next equation. What times what equals 50? It's just flipped, but you still have the same. I'm going to choose 5 times 10.
That's what I would have done too.
Same minds.
Great minnows think alike in the same fishing pond.
What times what equals 64? I'm going to say no, 8 times 8.
Beautiful choices there, Miss Brown. Well, I declare that we're on to number 4. How many sides does this shape have, Miss Brown?
Let's count together, shall we?
Huh.
1, 2, 3, 4. This
So
shape has 4 sides. 4 sides.
4 sides.
Yes, next.
How many angles?
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5 it is.
No. Mary Beth. 4 angles. The next question says put x's on one pair of parallel sides. So Mary Beth, what sides can we show that are parallel?
Well, I reckon it's going to be this one and this one, because if they keep going, they're never going to cross. But if these two keep going, eventually, they're going to cross right there.
Good, Mary Beth. Write a name for this shape. Not a rectangle, but looks a lot like it.
This shape is a trapezoid.
Alright, now we are in box 5. There are 8 tissue boxes in a pack. Clara takes 2 packs to school. How many tissue boxes in all?
So we're just going to add 8 plus 8. What does that give us, Miss Brown? I dropped my cap.
We are not doing that.
Yeah, we are.
We are multiplying 8 times 2.
Oh my goodness. You
So-
could just do 8 plus 8.
But you can't. We're doing 8 times 2
Ah.
because there are 8 tissue boxes in a pack. 2 packs, 8 tissue boxes per pack, 8 times 2.
What does that give us?
16.
Woo!
So you should have 16 for your first line in box 5. Okay. Clara's class now has 20 packs. How many tissue boxes in all? So we are doing the same thing we did for part 1 of the box 5. We are doing 8 times 20. As you can see, Mary Beth has written it all out to show the
Each
20
one has
packs.
8 inside. So what's 8 times 20, Miss Brown?
160.
100.
Which all you're doing,
6.
you added a 0 to
You can't see it, but it's there.
the 2, so you added a 0 to the answer. Alright, we are on box number 6, our last box of the math page. Don't
Wow,
fret.
just hit me with a tornado and call me Dorothy. I can't believe we're almost done.
Dontrell shares $24 equally with his brother. How much money do they each get? So here we have
Don. Short for Don Trell. Don Trell. And Clifford is brother. Oh, I'm going British.
Are you mocking me?
Yes.
Question. Let's get back to the equation.
Yes,
they have
Yoda.
Use division. 24 divided by 2 is 12. $24 divided by 2. Dontrell and Clifford. Hey, bucko! our division model, we are showing 24 divided by 2 is 12. So you're going to do this division model for the division model. Remember this week you need to have 30 minutes of Moby mocks. Math Moby mocks, just what we just did. Nothing but Math Moby. Math Moby. 30 minutes. This has been Math Class with Miss Brown
and Miss Mary Beth. But first we just want to say a few things. I just want to give a shout out to my fellow Jack. I saw him at the pizza rodeo the other night. He has a mighty fine horse. Not as good as my Delilah though.
I ride in a carriage.
A carriage!
Amazing Grace.
Country road. Country road.
Let's do a little mix.
Country road.
But now I'm found. Thank you so much for watching Math with Miss Brown.
And Miss Mary Beth.
See you next time. Oh, there won't be a next time. This is our last math class.
Mom, this is a sad occasion. Miss Lawson, get in here. Get in here.
Mrs. Lawson, we have been substituting her because she had to make dinner. But she's
Chicken.
back.
I'm excited for chicken. Oh, now I'm going Australian.
Any last words?
I just want to say thank you to my kids for making math fun. And this is the last math journal video of your 3rd grade year. We will still be having fun videos next week too, but they won't be from your math journal. So thank you, girls. I'll let you close this up.
You may
because
now
I
throw
didn't
this away.
teach this lesson.
You can't say that. Now I'm going. My accent won't say Southern. I gotta get some stuff back in here.
Good day.
I wanna waka 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 and keep poo poo poo.